Morena koutou, morena. Here's our mahi toy student. Robin, Mihi, Robin, morena Robin. Morena Whaia, morena Anya. Come on, you guys been doing some homework?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, that's better than mine. Ka pai koutou. Ka pai. Yeah, that's the way. Who's got a whakatauki for a kiwaha for me this morning?
Ka wanake.
Ka pai, what does it look like?
Ka wanake.
Ka pai, what about you, Pai?
Ka mutu pia.
Ka mutu pia. Ka mutu pia. Pia. Ka pai. Robin. More taku here. Yeah, 2 hands, more taku here. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Ka pai. Kia ora koutou. Gonna have a good day today? Yeah, look at the mahi. Is that mahi for today? Alright, kia tūturu whakamaua, kia tīna.
Tina.
Haumia huie.
Tai kie.
Ka mutu pia.
Ka mutu pia.
Kia ora koutou. Been having a lot of fun with this lot and the online crew, everyone supporting each other, doing their puka pū kōrero here, their visual diaries to go with their other exercise books and their puka tuhinga, and they've been complaining they're not getting enough homework, so we thought we'll keep them busy, but it's been positive, and yeah, hopefully you're taking something out of this from the written and also through the kaupapa kōrero. You're getting to kōrero every day and use the rākau. So well done. Even though we had a public holiday last week, it's good to see you guys have been hitting the books and still getting the mahi. Mahi ka ora. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, te tokotoru nei to these ones and the ones online supporting us, because it's actually the one online that everyone's been following. These ones have been following you guys online. So e harataku toa I te toa takitahi, engari e toa taki tini, and we're all supporting each other. So ka pai koutou, kia kaha, kōrero Māori, Aoitepö, haumie, huie, tai kie. From left to right here we've got Robin Te Paihoa. This is the 3 amigos, and they come in here every Monday. And then we've got iiWānanga, and we call her Rewana, because every Monday she makes us a rewana and a stir fry, and I think they just come here to eat their lunch. And so Anya on the end, or we all come here and celebrate te reo. Tēnā koutou e te whānau.